So finally, once again, I get to work on this thing. It is dirty, it is dusty, it is disgusting. This is crooked. But we got some new parts for it, and we're gonna try and install them, see what's up. This is gonna be the new project right here. A few things off. Air filter came off. Labeled the vacuum lines. That's a power for the choke. Battery's out already. As soon as I undo all these four right here, all of this will come off with it. All of this will get replaced. Got the carburetor off along with the fuel filter, all of the adapters, this whole assembly that goes directly into the actual carburetor, along with the pressure gauge. All of this came off from right here. Just have to clean this up a little bit, make it all nice and easy. Got the spacer and the gasket off of this surface right here. There was a little bit of residue. As you can see, it tore off and it stayed. All I did was use a razor blade right here, make it nice and clean. Just be really, really careful to not scratch the surface. Little pieces like this. Now I gotta tape it off. Cool, now that I have the intake port taped off, I can take care of the distributor right there. I'm also going to take care of the fuel pressure regulator, other small things like the spark plug wires, throttle bracket right there, take care of that, and start getting it all cleaned up on top so I can put the new stuff on. Spark plug wires off, a little to the side on both sides. These wires that connected at the bottom right here, I got those off. Disconnected this right here, as well as the bracket that holds down the actual distributor. Comes out just like that. Climb into the engine bay, and it's really dirty back here, so I'm just gonna clean all of this up, just wipe it down because it's really, really bad. I cleaned this area up, just gotta tape off the port, took the spark plugs out completely, and put the crankshaft at 0 degrees so I can move on with the install. Another part of the puzzle came off. I got the throttle bracket that was right over here, got that off. Now I have all of the space to work with. And now into the fuel pressure regulator. Sweet little baby Jesus socket. With all the fasteners off, everything disconnected from the main hard lines. This and I got my fuel pressure regulator out now, just like that. Now we're pretty much done in the engine bay. We got the carb off, we got the distributor off, all the brackets, all the hardware that was on top, the fuel pressure regulator, took everything off, took everything out, top dead center and everything. Now I'm pretty much all set in the engine bay, so stay tuned until next time. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, do that, all that good stuff. We'll see you till next time.